So you're interested in buying your first investment property, but are kind of running the numbers and trying to figure out what you are looking for from a cash flow perspective. Tyler, the home loan guy here, and make sure that as you are running your numbers, your cash flow number, how much you're putting in your pocket on a monthly basis, is not your gross rent minus your mortgage payment. What your true cash flow number is your gross rent minus your mortgage, but also all the other expenses you're going to have. And something you need to also factor in is going to be things like expected vacancy and capital expenditures as well. A ton of people will run numbers, but always forget you will eventually have a vacancy and you will eventually have to replace the AC or replace the roof. You need to be putting money away, putting money aside on a monthly basis to make sure you have enough capital to make those repairs. So as you're running those numbers, make sure you're including everything. If you're paying electric, make sure you include that. If you have to pay for trash in your area, make sure you're including that, or internet, or anything else that may be an expense that you as the landlord have to pay. Make sure you're taking that number out of your gross rent to get a true cash flow number. If you have any questions or want to run numbers on a specific property, definitely give me a call.